Fear is the greatest way of controlling a population. If they're afraid and they can't do anything about it, give up their power to those that say, I am powerful and you are not. The media is pushing fear. Up to millions of people will die. That's from our NIH. For God's sakes, if I'm watching that thing, I would think, well, if it only included 50 people are going to die, I'm going to be okay. But 1 million people, that could be me. And all of a sudden you realize the stress is now overflowing and continuous. The problem is in today's world, stresses are 24/7, 365. We're being stressed continuously, job, economics, religious, racial strife, whatever stresses you want to start bringing up. And I go, oh my God, every day we are compromising ourselves because these stresses cause the release of the stress hormones, and the stress hormones are redirecting the function of the body, taking me from growth into protection and shutting down growth for a prolonged period of time. Stress is the major cause of the dysfunction of the immune system. Stress shuts down the immune system to conserve energy. We live in fear of the person who coughed right next to you, or the person down the street who doesn't look that well. Oh my God, I got to stay away from them. You are living in a constant stress. So I say, why is that relevant? Stress shuts down the immune system. The first thing is this: take care of your own health first. Because if you take care of your own health, your immune system will be working full out. Take care of yourself. And the idea about this is, if you get flu, then the issue is this: stop the fear, because the first thing is, oh my God, I got the flu, I'm going to be one of the mortality people. I say, no. If you're in the average population, you're in a good place. If you're compromised, yes, take care of yourself. But don't let this fear get to you, because the fear is exactly what is causing the release of the stress hormones, which in turn is inhibiting the function of the immune system. And as a result, we are open to whatever degree of infection our stress system is going to provide for us. We're taxing a system based on fear. The biology of belief helped you, not me. You did your healing. To me, that's the more important part. With awareness, you were able to take care of your life. Without any awareness, you're lost. Okay, I don't know what the hell is going on. And fear is the greatest way of controlling a population. Think about this. On the highway, let's say you're driving towards some destination, and on the other side of the road, there's an accident. And you realize how everybody will slow down and stare at the accident. We're being pulled to look at the fear. I say, there could be a family having a picnic on the other side of the road. Everybody drives by, not relevant to them, having a happy moment and a picnic. But if there's an accident, we all pull over and stare and become involved because of a fear and seeing it. And so the virus story is similar to that accident, that everybody is pulling over and staring at the fear and staring at the fear. And I said, that picture itself isn't a healthy picture at all, because there's a tendency to make that picture become manifest. We take our thoughts and manifest them. And if you're continuously focusing on the fear side, what can you get? What is the consequence of that? And the answer is, you're going to manifest what you're afraid of. There's so many sayings about that, what you resist persists. That's one of those sayings. Stop that focus and move your focus to a different place. The function of the mind is to take a belief and manifest it as reality. And if we keep feeding the belief of fear and keep reading that, the function of their mind, it's unconscious. It's not that the mind is saying, let's focus on the negative stuff. It's already doing that. It's just going to do it more. And so basically we have to recognize that this is one of the bigger problems. We keep our attention focused on the scary stuff, and at the same time let go of our focus on the other side of life. To stay happy, to stay healthy, and try to redirect the people you work with away from their myopic staring at that screen and that news broadcast, waiting for the next update of what's going on. Human civilization is unsustainable. That we are facing the sixth mass extinction of life on this planet. And the planet is giving us feedback, symptoms saying, it's not working. Hello, pay attention. There got racial strife, religious strife, economic upheaval, political crashing here and there. Throw on top of this a flu. And I'm going, what does it represent? It says, we have to come back to who we really are and recognize that human civilization is responsible for creating the sixth mass extinction of life. This is a fact of science. It's nature telling us, pay attention to what you're doing, because you don't realize your participation as humans in a global upheaval.